Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore natural greens with DaVinci Resolve qualifiers step by step clearly. Begin by opening DaVinci Resolve and loading your project. Select the clip you want to work on in the timeline. Navigate to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the qualifier tool in the middle of the interface. Click on the eyedropper icon to activate the qualifier. Select a natural green area in your clip by clicking on it. Adjust the selection using the HSL sliders if needed to refine the green selection. You can use the add and subtract tools to fine-tune your selection further. Once you're satisfied with your selection, switch to the color wheels panel. Adjust the lift, gamma, and gain sliders to enhance the green tones. Pay attention to the overall image as you make adjustments, ensuring a natural look. For more precise color grading, use the Curves tool. Select the green channel and tweak the curve for desired enhancement. If the greens appear too saturated, reduce the saturation using the saturation control. Utilize the Nodes panel to create a new node if you want to make additional adjustments without affecting the original image. Consider adding a power window if you need to isolate specific areas further. Preview your changes by toggling the Bypass Grade button to see the before and after. Once everything looks good, move to the Deliver tab to export your final video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.